If you share your home with a furry friend, their hair can quickly accumulate on carpets and furniture, posing a challenge even for the best vacuum cleaners on the market. Therefore, it is beneficial to invest in a vacuum cleaner specifically designed to clean pet hair effortlessly. In this video, I've reviewed the best vacuum cleaners for pet hair for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Dreame R20. Weighing just 2.7 kilograms, it's one of the lightest upright vacuums on the market. And that's no small feat. Its low weight makes it less tiring to use in areas like stairs and under furniture. Its 190 AW rating is superior to many competitors' models in this segment. This power is provided by a 550-watt motor and maintains air quality thanks to a multi-layered filtration system. This is particularly advantageous for carpets and pet hair. Thanks to the automatic power adjustment, the vacuum can increase its suction power on its own when it encounters an area with more dense hair shedding. This is an added feature in the fight against pet hair. With a removable 2,900 mAh battery offering up to 90 minutes of runtime, it is suitable for long cleaning sessions. It can be easily charged and stored thanks to magnetic wall mounting. The LED-equipped brush head makes dust and hair visible in dark areas, ensuring a deeper clean. Additionally, the R20 significantly prevents long hair or pet hair from tangling around the brush head, thanks to its tangle-free brush design. The dustbin can be easily removed and washed, making maintenance extremely practical. The noise level is around 72 decibels, making it considerably quieter than similarly powerful competitors. Number 4. Dyson Ball Animal. If absolute power is your priority when you're shopping for the best vacuum for pet hair, the Dyson Ball Animal should be your first stop. With its powerful 290 air-watt suction, it effectively removes dog and cat hair embedded in carpets while also providing deep cleaning on hard floors. The most notable feature of the device is its ball maneuvering technology. This system allows the vacuum cleaner to turn easily when changing direction and offers high agility around furniture thanks to its ball-shaped body. Dyson's smart head system, called the self-adjusting cleaner head, automatically adjusts the head height when moving from carpet to hard floor, cleaning without losing suction power. With a large 1.7-liter dustbin, it eliminates the need for bag changes during long cleaning sessions and can be easily emptied with the push of a button. The filtration system features Dyson's advanced HEPA-like whole machine filtration. With a 15-meter reach, it can sweep large areas in one go. However, weighing approximately 7.8 kilograms, it is slightly heavier than lightweight cordless models, so carrying it upstairs can sometimes be challenging. Number 3. Shark PowerDetect Upright. The most notable feature of the PowerDetect series is, as the name suggests, its power detection technology. The device automatically detects the floor type and dirt level and adjusts the suction power accordingly. This feature both increases cleaning efficiency and prevents unnecessary energy consumption. The device is highly effective at picking up pet hair. Thanks to the anti-tangle system, hair does not get tangled in the brush, allowing cleaning to continue uninterrupted. It automatically increases suction power within 2 inches of a wall or edge. You can clean areas such as stairs, furniture, and windowsills by removing the detachable pod containing the motor and dustbin. In detect mode, the vacuum cleaner indicates when the floor is clean with lights on the vacuum head. The light changes from purple to white. The 9-meter cable is quite generous. It's not the longest on the market, but it still allows you to clean a reasonable-sized area before unplugging and replugging. Similarly, while it's not the lightest vacuum at 8 kilograms, it's not overly heavy either. Combined with its handy detail tools and large dustbin, it's quite suitable for those who need something that can handle a lot of pet hair. Number 2. Dyson V15 Detect. This cordless vacuum cleaner takes dust and hair removal to a whole new level with Dyson's legendary engineering. Its most striking feature, the laser slim fluffy head, uses laser light to make even the smallest dust particles hidden in the floor visible, so you can see what's left behind even in places you thought were clean. The hyperdymium motor delivers up to 230 AW of suction power, easily pulling up even deep-seated hair from carpets. Plus, thanks to the piezo sensor, it counts dust particles it vacuums up in real time, which you can see on the screen. This shows you just how deep a clean you're getting. Dyson's advanced filtration system traps 99.99% of microscopic dust particles, a major plus for allergy sufferers. The biggest problem with traditional brooms is that hair gets tangled in the brush head, requiring constant cleaning. Thanks to the V15's conical brush design, hair is automatically directed into the collector. With approximately 60 minutes of runtime and a replaceable battery, it won't leave you stranded even during long cleaning sessions. The price is a bit steep, but it's worth the money in terms of performance, technology, and ease of use. Number 1. Shark Stratos Cordless. Shark is one of the strongest brands challenging Dyson's dominance in recent years, and the Stratos series is their flagship product family. They make particularly bold claims regarding pet hair. Stratos' smartest feature is the Clean Sense iQIO system. This system automatically detects the dirt level on the floor and adjusts the suction power. So when you reach a very hairy area, the power automatically increases, while in clean areas it saves energy. This optimizes battery life. And here's Shark's secret weapon, the anti-odor cartridge. One of the biggest problems for pet owners isn't just fur, but the odor that comes with it. Stratos neutralizes odors thanks to its air purifier technology. Instead of traditional soft brushes, they use hard rubber blades called power fins. This design is incredibly effective at removing hair embedded in carpets. Furthermore, thanks to these blades, hair and fur tangles are virtually eliminated. Thanks to its flexology feature, the hose bends in the middle, allowing you to reach places that are difficult to reach. This feature is very functional, as pets often turn the undersides of furniture into hair traps. It offers up to 60 minutes of runtime and has a removable battery system. You can clean without interruption by purchasing an extra battery. The LED display shows the remaining time, mode information, and clogging warnings. Thanks to the HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology, 99.9% of the air entering the vacuum cleaner is filtered and returned. This is a vital feature for allergy and asthma sufferers who own pets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and write your favorites in the comments. See you in the next video.